Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing well. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this classic black smoky eyes. This is perfect for any time. You can wear this to wedding, party or anywhere you want to. This looks very classy. This goes with your Indian as well as Western outfits. So I'm going to show you how to create that in 3 easy steps. So let's get started. First, I'm taking this brown shade and I'm going to place it in my crease area, in both of my corners and then crease area. I'm going to mark that place. Then I'm going to take a clean blending brush and blend above that. Then I'm taking this black shade and I will mark the place where I want to put my gel liner. I will mark that. Then I'm going to take a gel liner. This is by Nykaa, and I'm going to place it in my eyelid, all over the eyelid, and I will not take it higher just because I want to keep it very neat. Then I'm taking a clean blending brush and I'm blending above it. Then I have taken a comb pencil and I will highlight my lower waterline and upper waterline. I've taken the same black shade from the palette and I'm going to smudge that. Once that is done, I'm going to take a lighter brown shade and I'm going to blend below that. Then I'm taking the silver color and I'm going to place it in my inner corner and brow bone area just to highlight them. Then I have taken my favorite mascara. This is Makeup Forever Aqua Smoky Lashes. Now I'm going to take this foundation by Maybelline Fit Me and then I'm going to place it, equally distribute that in my face. This is one of the best foundations that I have came across. You can just close your eyes and buy this mascara. This is very long lasting and very good coverage it gives. As you can see, it has covered all of my hyperpigmentation by itself. Then I'm going to cream contour my face. I'm going to place it in my hollows of the cheek, my forehead, my nose, and then I'm going to blend it with the help of this brush from Cuffs and Lashes, and I'm going to blend in the places where I want to contour. Once that is done, I'm going to take my liquid lipstick. This is by Nykaa. And I'm going to use it as a cream blush, and this works really perfect, I'm telling you guys. And then I'm going to take my favorite powder by Maybelline Fit Me. This is a medium coverage powder, a good product. I'm going to place it all over my face. Then I'm going to take this lipstick by Sugar. This is the Browning Glory, and I think this is one of the most stunning colors that I own. This goes really perfect with any outfit or any makeup look. This is just a perfect brownish nude lipstick. Then I'm going to take a highlighter by Maybelline. So this is the Molten Gold shade from the Maybelline Master Chrome. So I'm going to place it in the highest points of my face. my cheekbone, my temples, my nose, cupid's bow and chin area. This will highlight. This is my final look. So that was my video. I hope you guys enjoyed and have learned something.